Okay, hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are tracking strong gusty winds in Lafayette, Louisiana. Currently, Lafayette's under a wind advisory because that strong winter storm is gonna blow through the area, and even heavy rainfall and a small squall line may form. Here, it's all the way around 9, in between 9 and 10 o'clock, heavy rainfall in Lafayette. 9 a.m. is going to be the heaviest rainfall. But if we go to the 10-day forecast for Lafayette, it says winds blowing west at 25 miles an hour. That's strong. It says rain showers this morning with increasing winds. Yeah, winds are going to increase, which is true. And cloudy skies during the afternoon hours, thunder possible. Yeah, that could be true. The morning high is 63 with temps falling near 45, winds west at 20-30 miles an hour. That's very strong. But tonight in Lafayette, it says a 3% chance of rain and snow. It says winds west-northwest at 24 miles an hour Saturday night, which is tonight. It says windy, partly cloudy skies, low 37 degrees, winds west-northwest at 20-30 miles an hour. Winds could, not sure how to pronounce this word. Winds could gust over 40 miles an hour, which is very strong. Let's go to the hourly forecast. Check our winds. So around 9-10 o'clock, very heavy rainfall could form. As you can see, at 12 p.m., winds will go from 16 to 22 miles an hour. 1 p.m., winds will be at 22 miles an hour. 2 p.m., upgrade 23, 24. Then 24, 24. Then it'll just decrease to 23. And then it'll upgrade back to 24. Decrease to 22. 9 p.m., increase back up to 24. And go up to 24 again. Decrease to 22. And then the strong winds stay at 22 for probably the rest of the night. And then the winds just continue into Sunday morning. Let's check the radar forecast to see how strong and snowy these rain bands are gonna be. So here's our surface low over Arkansas. All the snow and heavy rainfall is with this system. Heavy rainfall near Lafayette. But around 1:18 p.m., it's going to be a dangerous squall line stretching down from way down from Mexico all the way up to Alabama, Florida and Alabama. Look, this rain band kind of looks like a small tropical storm or depression because you can see it looks like there's a small eye here, and the rest just looks like a whirling storm. I'm not sure if this could be a tropical depression or not. We're gonna find out. All the snow and rain is just gonna smash into the U.S. And that's gonna be it for today's video. Well, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please like, comment, subscribe. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.